Enhance and redesign BIM models with AI inside the GeoVision Desktop app. In order to begin, we need to send our Revit model from Revit to the GeoVision cloud so we'll be able to view it and use it inside the GeoVision web app or the desktop app. I'll share a link down below on how to download and install the GeoVision Revit plugin from our website. Once you're through with the installation, open the model that you want to send to the GeoVision cloud inside Revit and choose the GeoVision plugin from the upper toolbar. I'll click on the little upward arrow, which is the publish button, and you can see that it wants me to select the project or create a new one. I'll just select an already existing project on the cloud called the luxury room, and in the next step, I'll create a new model and we'll just call it model 2. Think of the projects as a container for different categories of models, and even each model can have multiple versions. Now, since I want to send this model entirely to the cloud, I'll select it completely until all the objects are highlighted and click Publish. After the process is done, when I click View, I can view my model inside the GeoVision web app. Please take notice that we can only enhance and redesign BIM models with AI inside the GeoVision Desktop app. So let's go ahead and open the Desktop app. All the projects and models are already created there too. So I'll find my luxury room project and model 2 and open it up. Here is the model. Let's find a good angle with the help of the fly mode. And now we click the AI tool. The Enhance option keeps your design exactly as is, only adds photorealism to it. You can choose the resolution too and then click Generate. Once your result is ready, you can switch between the AI result and the original for comparison and save either one, or you can capture new results. The redesign option refurnishes rooms or restyles exteriors. You can choose the space, like whether it's a living room or an office or more, and you can select in which style you want the redesign to be, like modern, Scandinavian, industrial, and there's of course more. Here I'll just choose living room and Scandinavian and I'll click Generate. In the following parts of the video, I'll generate more redesigns with various styles from different views of the model. I'll just let you casually listen to music while watching those. Make sure to drop any questions you might have in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.